Hello friends, is your car struggling to start misfiring or losing power unexpectedly? If your check engine light is on and showing code P0348, you've come to the right place. This trouble code points to a camshaft position sensor circuit high input, bank 2. A faulty CMP sensor can throw off engine timing, leading to poor performance or even a complete no-start condition. In this video, we'll explain what P0348 means, symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0348? P0348 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor A Circuit High Input, Bank 2. The camshaft position sensor helps the powertrain control module track camshaft movement for precise fuel injection and ignition timing. When the sensor sends a high voltage signal, the PCM detects it as an abnormal reading and triggers the P0348 error code. This can result in hard starts, engine hesitation, and poor fuel efficiency. Common symptoms of P0348 include the check engine light coming on, engine misfires, or a rough idle hard starting, or even a complete no-start condition, reduced acceleration and power loss, loud knocking or backfiring sounds, and high fuel consumption. Ignoring this issue can lead to more severe engine damage, so diagnosing it early is, really important. The camshaft position sensor, or CMP for bank 2, is typically found in these locations: near the cylinder head and in V6, V8 or V12 engines. Bank 2 is on the side opposite cylinder 1. It can also be on the valve cover or timing chain cover, usually positioned near the camshaft sprocket. Inside the timing belt or chain area, some vehicles require removing the timing cover to access it. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires. Common causes of P0348 include a faulty camshaft position sensor, which can send incorrect voltage signals. Wiring problems like frayed, corroded, or shorted wires can cause a high input signal. Crankshaft position sensor issues can affect camshaft synchronization. Weak battery or charging system issues can lead to high voltage fluctuations that interfere with CMP sensor readings. And, in rare cases, a PCM malfunction could be causing the issue. How to fix P0348. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for related codes like P0344, P0346, or P0349. Step 2. Locate the camshaft position sensor, bank 2, and inspect it for physical damage or dirt buildup. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for loose, corroded, or broken wires. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage levels. Step 5. Inspect the timing belt or chain for misalignment or excessive wear. Step 6. If the CMP sensor is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 7. Clear the codes using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. A failing camshaft position sensor, CMP. Bank 2 can cause starting issues, power loss, and poor fuel efficiency. Fixing P0348 will ensure your engine runs smoothly again. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0344, camshaft position sensor circuit intermittent, bank 1, and P0345, camshaft position sensor A, circuit malfunction, bank 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.